Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix automatic repair loop error in Windows 10 and 11. First method is click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Type BCD Edit, find your Windows installed drive, in my case C drive is Windows installed drive. Type chkdsk space, /f space, /x space, /r space, C colon. Second method is click Troubleshoot, click Uninstall Updates. First uninstall latest quality update, if same error still exists uninstall latest feature update. Third method is click System Restore. If any restore points are available, restore it. Fourth method is click Command Prompt. Type C colon. Type cd space, /Windows /System32 /config. Type md backup. Type copy *.* backup. Type cd space, regback. Type dir. If the files having size more than 0 bytes you can proceed next step otherwise exit command prompt. Copy *.* space, .. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.